Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. Yesterday I didn't really vlog that much, but right now I'm vlogging because there's literally no one around other than drivers, and I don't care. But right now I am walking over to my last two classes that I hate. I have Asian civilizations right now, and I had to write a 3-page essay. Totally have forgotten about writing it, and like I didn't know that I knew that I needed to write it, but I forgot about writing it, and I was like hanging out with friends last night, and so I just didn't write it. Okay, so there were just people working on the sidewalk now, and I have to stop talking, but it's okay. But yeah, I just didn't write the essay, and I woke up today at 8 a.m. and I wrote a 3-page essay within an hour. It sucked. I absolutely hate it when people are around me, and yeah, this is so dog. But yes, I'm on my way right now to my final class, my final Asian Civ class, and then I have my drawing class, which also a class that I don't really like, but that's okay. So I have to go to my drawing class, and I'm gonna just be working on my final assignments because I need to finish about, I think, 2 drawings today. I might work a little bit more on the drawing that I did on Tuesday, but I just have 2 drawings, and then tomorrow I have my last, yesterday I had my last sculpture class, which was great, and tomorrow I have my last Brit Lit class, and then my last global art history class. So yeah. So this is the first drawing that I made. Hi, I'm back in my room, literally walking in the door, like putting my key card away. My hand is black right now, except for my pinky, which because I was doing my art project. I'll stay here. I was doing my art project, and the paper that I'm using for it, I hate it. I hate it so much. So I just came back, and I'm using another paper that we normally use. I thought someone was outside. But I'll do that later. I really want to get my room cleaned because it's kind of a mess right now, and there's been stuff that I've been wanting to do but I keep putting off. So I'm gonna clean up my room right now, and so yeah, just enjoy this time lapse of me cleaning my room and everything in it. But first I need to wash my hands. That's because I have black everywhere. Like in the beginning of the semester, I never used it because my shampoo and my conditioner bottles were really big. But I've had these for about, like, I don't know, 2 months already, and I've never gotten the shower caddy out. So I'm just cleaning out under my sink and getting that shower caddy out and fixing my life. But yeah. Okay, so this is what the bottom of my sink looks like now. It's not that much cleaner, but my caddy is set up, so we're good. So now I have to go through my cabinet, my drawer, and clean it all up. But yeah. I first have this bin. I have some medicine stuff in here and my retainers. But yeah, that goes all the way in the back because I don't really use this stuff that much. This is just a deodorant that I have that is not the one that I use. And my retainers I just put on them at night. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this all the way in the back. It just goes right here. Okay, so now I have this makeup pouch. I have one more for my hair stuff, and then everything else I'm just gonna put up in a bag. Take hold because there's a lot of jewelry here that I don't use. and I don't plan to use this, so I'm just gonna put this in my drawer. I'm walking right now to the dining hall because I'm gonna get some food. I'm gonna hang out with Matt for a little. But it smells like cows outside, and I hate the smell. It's not that I hate it, like, I'm okay with the smell of cows, it's so strong. Like, it feels like there's cows around. There's not, and the only reason why we say, like, it smells like cows, it's gonna rain or it's gonna, like, snow or something, it's because, like, we live by Greeley, and Greeley is, like, a really big farming town, and so they have a bunch of cows there, so it smells like cows here now. But yeah, it's actually a really nice day. Not that cold outside. I'm wearing my jean jacket. So.
God damn it.
Okay, so here's a piece, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a basic braid. I'm not going to teach you how to French braid because that's a little harder. So you take 3 pieces. Take them in your hands, right?
Mm-hmm.
Most of the time when you just loop this on here. And then you take the other one with your index and the thumb. And then this one's normally do that. Okay. You cross. Out goes in middle. Out, it goes in middle. Then you keep repeating that. Then you have a braid. You can undo that and try yourself. Split into 3 sections.
Mm-hmm.
The outside goes in the middle. Then the outside of this one goes in the middle. Just keep repeating that.
Shit, no. Okay, we're good. I'm doing it. Shit. Does this hurt?
No.
Alright, cool. I did it!
You did it? Yeah, you did. Nice.
Alright, cool. Kill it.
Was that hard for you?
No. I just couldn't think I was gonna lose it, but I never did.
So do you want to learn how to French braid?
Sure.
Okay, this is a little harder. So you take 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Out the. I mean, if you like to think about it this way, the middle goes out, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
So you do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then, so let's go back. Middle piece goes outside.
Mm-hmm.
And then with this piece that just went outside, you grab more hair. Okay? It's still one piece, but you just grab more hair. And then this middle goes out, the middle, you grab more hair. And then you just keep repeating it.
Oh, you lost me. That's a you thing.
Middle goes out, grab hair. The middle goes out, you grab more hair. Middle goes out.
Yeah, that's a you thing. Alright. My hair's so short. Yeah, I can.